because I have a living soil concept behind it. I want you to grow with bacteria. I want you to grow with fungi. I want you to do everything that is healthy in that plant. The last thing you want to do is feed ammonium nitrate to the tomato to your kid at the dinner table. Once you know, kind of.
Shout out to Pat. Y'all know we good seeing him at the 420 Festival here in Kansas City. You know, it was a wash, but you know how it is. It's still a good time to come in and network, catch him underneath the tent while he has a tent.
Hey there guys, been using this Sun Pro 5x5 grow tent for the last couple of months for our indoor kitchen garden here, and I've been really impressed. I was really impressed with it from construction to now. Very, very solid build and very good quality overall. Really impressed with the number of features as well on tents these days, which is pretty impressive. So, as I said, it's a 5x5 tent. So it's about 2 meters or 6'8" high. So lots of headroom. Really high quality construction. First thing I noticed really putting it together, it has that zip. Hopefully you can see it comes all the way around the top. And for anybody who's put up a 5x5 or even a 4x4, you know it's very hard to stretch the tent out of the frame. And with that zip all the way around, you can do it nice and easy. Poles themselves, 22 millimeter poles, just an inch in size, very good, 1 millimeter thickness on the metal, and you got 4 cross braces on the top to hang everything from. Then you get these really cool spreaders on the side, which give it extra rigidity, but also stop the sides pulling in when the fan's coming on and pressing against the plant, so that's pretty impressive. It's got all the stuff that you'd expect in terms of fence. So you got these cableways. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cableways and 3 vents at the bottom. You got these extra windows on each side. You got a window on the front door, which I'll show you in a minute. Packed full of features. It's got this cool spot for hanging your controller. So you can hang it there, and then this little slot for the cables to go down into the tent without any light pollution or odor leakage. That's pretty cool. So yeah, the basic construction is excellent. You got your tray, of course, on the bottom. In terms of the details then on it, some of the things I like to see is corner reinforcement. Really important. You can see that there. Stops the poles busting out of the corners. You got double stitching on the zips. You got double seal inside here on the zips to prevent light leak. So seal on this side and the other. And yeah, overall really impressed on the construction. I just have a quick look on the outside now. There's a nice finish on the front. You got this hanging bag on the side for your equipment. This pouch with these little straps. The door itself has the Velcro straps, so when you tie it around the side, you can hold the door in place. Again, very handy. And you got your viewing portal used to look in without disturbing the environment. Overall, I just can't fault the package. It's really good. I did a lot of grow tent testing last year, and sort of got a little bit of a deep dive into it. And in terms of all the aspects that I've tested in comparisons, this is right up there at the premium level, and pretty good value for money too. Competing with lots of on a price point, lots of lesser quality products, and on the quality front, hugely better than a lot more expensive products. So I'm really impressed, and grow tents kind of come quite a bit in the last few years, it seems. Nice details and better quality finish and more features. So yeah, can't recommend it highly enough. There's a discount code MIGRO, MIGRO, get you an additional 15% off this tent and any